what a year it's been for Iron Age Office. Not only have we doubled in workforce, but we've actually bought ourselves a new facility. So this video is going to be a quick tour of that. Let's go take a look. So this is the entrance area for the new office. We've really gone for a black and white theme throughout to really represent the Iron Age brand. You see that a lot within the website and other marketing materials. So we're really excited about this space. Obviously you've got the shiplap wall here. We're gonna have a nice seating area and also a reception area right behind me here as well. If you walk through this way, this is gonna be the sales area. So this is going to be our VP of Sales office. And it wasn't actually until January of this year that we brought on our first VP of Sales. Up until that point, to be honest, it was myself doing a lot of the sales and working with different clients. But as of January, we actually now have a full web of sales reps across the country. So as you can see, we have a lot of space up here. Compared to what we're in currently, we are moving from 20,000 square feet to 70,000 square feet. And 8,000 is office space. We have more execs and offices upstairs as well. And then up until my office, we've got a corner room. So again, you've got a lot of natural light coming in here. I plan to have a nice sofa seating area, a desk space, large boards on the wall so I can draft and get my ideas down as well. So this is almost going to be something like a viewing room. This will be a space where we can bring clients in. We're going to get it all cleaned up and whatnot. And that way they can look through the big windows, see the space and see the craftsmen at work without having to be actually in there as well. Very excited to have this little area. This is where we're going to have the conference room. As you can see, there's all glass windows around it as well. And we plan to have a showcase area here, so when we are with clients in the conference room, you can also see a lot of product at the same time, so it should work out nicely. So again, this is going to be a large office space, again with the black and white theme throughout. It really feels like a gymnasium almost, so every time I walk through here it actually gives me so much anxiety, just because we've never had so much space, and now we have this whole area, which I'm sure in no time we will be able to fill it up. It's just immediately quite daunting. Here you've got numerous office spaces for future growth. So we are now in the workshop. This is going to be a large assembling area where we do all the credenza parts and other workstations as well. Currently, just this one room alone is similar to the size of our current wood shop. So just by having this space plus everything else, it'll really put things into perspective for you. This is the main room, so this is where we're going to have a lot of the production going on. This is probably the largest space in the building. This one room alone is like roughly 40,000 square feet, and considering currently the whole office and workshop is 20,000, this one space alone is going to be a big difference for us. So this is going to be the welding area. So there's going to be 8 large tables spaced around the building with the potential chance of also adding a lot more as well. So we're going to start off with 8 welding stations to where we could add up to 10 to 12 people. This is going to be the hub for welding. So as you know, with Iron Age Office, the wood part of the process is very, very important. The portion of the building over here is going to be where we're doing a lot of the sanding, staining, and pretty much just preparing the wood to be sprayed in the back room. So this is another roughly 15,000 square feet on this side alone. We also have this space on the left as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the workshop. We're excited to see and get things moving. Once we get more equipment throughout the building, we will do another video as well, just to keep everyone updated to see where we're up to.